Hello loves and welcome to Bre'S Project Book. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're a member of BPB family, welcome back. Today we have a great video, a DIY on my summer lantern. So if you're interested in seeing how I decorate this lantern, stay tuned. Hello loves and welcome to Bre'S Project Book. We are going to decorate our lantern with a few summer plants here. We have some artificial ferns. We have some eucalyptus leaves and some miniature magnolia flowers. We are going to be using a couple of these floral blocks, and we're going to have a bow, maybe or maybe not, depends. And then we have a few tools of some wire clippers here, a glue gun, and an open lantern. I purchased this lantern at home for $20. I love the simple design, the strong black lines, and deep tray at the bottom. This lantern can be decorated in a contemporary, farmhouse, or traditional style. Because of the design and style of the lantern, it is very versatile. So the first thing we're going to do is place our floral block inside this tray here in the lantern. It's very convenient that they did this because I guess you could put a pot in there to do whatever you want with your lantern. We'll be using the lantern base as the actual plot. So we're going to leave the floral blocks in the plastic, and I am going to take a little glue and we're going to just lightly put it down in the bottom of here. Now I'm not worried about this not coming out because it does. Once it cools off and I'm able to peel it out of the bottom of the lantern. But right now it's going to serve its purpose to hold the floral blocks in place, so it gives the flowers a nice sturdy base when I get ready to pierce them. So we are going to start with the fern. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple summer lantern using just a few greeneries and some flowers. And this is something that you can do at home if you want to decorate a nice little spot on your patio or on your table or on your front porch coffee table. It's very simple. You just take your nice little base that's large enough with some nice leaves so it will be able to flow out of your lantern that has no sides. Now this works best when you get a lantern that doesn't have any glass walls or sides to it, I should say. So the flowers can kind of fall as they may out of the lantern. So we got us a nice little base, and we're just going to fill it up. Now you don't need that many. I'm only going to have 4 here, I believe. And they're nice and full. So I'm just going to place these in here where I think would go. I like to create on the spot. So I'm just building it up so it looks like it's a big old fern that's growing out of this lantern. And you see that? See how that looks? It's already looking full. So now, once I get this built up, what I would do is take some fake or faux moss, and I will put it down in the bottom of here. I like to put my plants in first, and then once it's done, I will fill the base with the moss. Okay, I'm thinking that is a good start. And this is where we're going to place our bow in here. If I decide to do a bow. I haven't decided because those ferns are filling up the base pretty quickly and we might not have that kind of room. So I'm thinking about adding some texture by putting these eucalyptus leaves. So I'm going to have to cut it short enough so it can be able to lay in here correctly. So we left at about 2.5 inches of stem there, if you can see that. And we're just going to pierce it in here. We're going to do the same for the other one. Okay. Now you can put a candle in here and work around your candle, but I just want this to be a floral lantern. So we're going to take our floral here and we're going to cut it down. Leave about a 5-inch stem. And the trick is to have this lay in here that is kind of growing out. So I bent the magnolias this way. Make sure you have them facing where it should. I bent the magnolias with a nice little hook, and I'm just going to pierce it down in this block. And it lays just like this. And you can manipulate the stems because it's wire, that it kind of lay down in here. I'm going to add some more flowers, I think. Some hydrangeas in here probably, or either some bigger head of magnolia flowers. I haven't decided yet. Depends on how it looks. But the small flowers is just to fill in some of the spaces. And it's coming along nicely. So I think we need one over here on this side. Now these flowers was on sale at Michael's last week, I believe it was, when Michael had that 70% off of their florals. Okay, so now I'm just going to fumble around here with the flower stems, make sure they're nice and full, and then we're going to add some more, I believe. Found some more flowers. We are going to add these hydrangeas. Most of you know I love hydrangeas. So we're going to add them in the center here and around the sides to fill those out. We're going to pierce the foam lightly because we don't need to stab it all the way down. It is coming along. I don't know if I want to add these magnolia leaves or not. Probably be too much. I think we have it. And it's quite full, so I really don't need to go and cover the blocks because it's pretty full here. And I think that will do it, guys. See how quick that was? That was very quick, very simple, and very easy. Just like that. We have a beautiful centerpiece to be placed on a patio, table, or a centerpiece for a buffet outside, or you can have this inside on your entry table in your foyer, where have you there, where there's a nice little space that needs a pop of wow, and this will do it. And I love this lantern because it's very nice. I mean, you can even hang this if you wanted to. But I just love how this looked and how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick, very easy decorating video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to check out my YouTube community page where you will find any changes to my scheduled programming, upcoming series, and collaborations, or just to chat and say hello. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week.